Hello students of class 6. Today we are going to solve question number 5, exercise 2.4. Okay, so let's see what is given here. Find a, I mean a means what? The value of a. Okay, if a divide 9, then gives out what? Gives quotient is equal to what? 5 and remainder 8. So in this questions we have given what? A divide equal to 9, sorry, a divide 9, then quotient is what? 5 and remainder what? 8. So look at the board. If we divide any number, look here, 13. So look, 2 how many are 13? So 2 6 are 12. 13 is not coming. Okay, so remainder is what? 1. No, so this is called what? Quotient. Okay, understood? And this one called divisor, and this one called what? Remainder, and this one dividend. Understood? So again students, look here, 2 is called what? Divisor, 6 is called what? Quotient, and 13 is called what? Dividend, and the last one remainder is 1, that is called what? 1 remainder. No, so we have a formula. No, look here, we can write dividend equal to, we can write what? We got in the previous class. No, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So we can write dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This formula is very important to solve this sum. Okay, understood? Okay students, now look, so again we come to the question. So here also we have given, look, right here given solution. Given. So what is given here? Right here, divisor equal to quotient remainder and dividend. Okay, dividend. Okay, look, in this questions here remainder means what? 8. No, so right here remainder in 8. Okay, quotient is what? How much? 5. So write in place of quotient 5. Okay, now divisor. So which one divisor? Here divisor means what? 9. That is 9. And dividend is what? That is a. Here we have to find out the value of a, that is dividend. Okay, so in this we can write, we have formula already, we have got this formula. No, dividend equal to, therefore we can write dividend equal to what? Divisor into quotient, no, then remainder. Yes or no? So dividend means what here? A. Okay. then equal to divisor means what? How much divisor? That is 9. Okay, then quotient means here given how much? 5. Okay, then plus what is remainder? That is 8. Okay, so at first we have to multiply 9 with 5, then we have to add. Okay, so dividend equal to a, what is given dividend? That is a. After equal divisor, how much divisor given? That is 9. That is 9. After here quotient, the value of quotient how much given? That is 5. Okay, then plus remainder, how much given remainder? That is 8. So 8. So at first we have to multiply this number 9 with 5, then we have to add. Okay, so 9 5 ja how much? That is 45. Then plus again 8. So now 45 plus 8 equal to what? How much? 53. So this is the answer. Okay students, now question number 6. Okay, so let's see what is given. What is the smallest number that should be added to 100 to make the sum exactly divisible by 45? So here again we have to find out the number which is added to 100 to make the sum exactly divisible by 45. তার মানে ইয়াত এটা নাম্বার দিছে কি, নাম্বারটো হল 100, এই 100ক কি কৰিব দিছে 45 দি আমাক ডিভাইড কৰিব দিছে, যে 100 এর লগত কি নাম্বার প্লাস কৰিলে, মানে 100 এর লগত কি নাম্বার প্লাস কৰিলে আমি 45 এৰে ডিভাইড কৰিলে কমপ্লিটলি ডিভাইড যাব। এতিয়া যদি আমি 45 এৰে যদি 100ক ডিভাইড কৰোঁ, এটো কি রিমাইন্ডার থাকি যাব, কমপ্লিটলি না যাব। তেতিয়া আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব, যে এই 100 এর লগত আমি আৰু কি নাম্বার এড কৰিলে এই 45 এৰে কি হ'ব, ই ডিভাইড যাব। তো at first we have to divide the number by 45. Okay, solution. So we have to, at first we have to divide 100 by 45. Okay, so right here 45, then 100. So we have to know the table of 45. No, so 45 1 ja 45, 45 2 ja 90, 45 3 ja 135. Yes or no? Dot. Okay, so if we divide 45, then how many ja? Here 2. 45 2 ja will be what? 90. Then minus remainder 0 1 10 থাকি গল। ন এতিয়া আমাক কি কৈছিল কোৱেশ্যনত কোৱা হৈছিল যে 100 এর লগত কি নাম্বার প্লাস কৰিলে আমার 45 দিয়ে 100ক কমপ্লিটলি ডিভাইড যাব। এতিয়া আমি 45 দিয়ে আমি যেতিয়া 100ক ডিভাইড কৰিছো 2 বার দিছো, আমার 90 10 রিমাইন্ডার ওলাইছে। তো রিমাইন্ডার থাকলে নহব, তার মানে 45 দিয়ে আরো যাব লাগিব। তে 10 এর লগত কি প্লাস কৰিলে 45 এৰে আরো যাব। এতিয়া চোৱা আমার কিমান 10 আছে, সো 10 এর লগত আর কিমান প্লাস কৰিলে 45 আহিব 35। if we add 10 plus 35 then will be what? 45। তার মানে 35 কম হয়ে আছে। যদি আমি 100 এর লগত যদি 35 প্লাস করো তেতে কি পাম? সো therefore 100 plus 35 that will be what? 135। এতিয়া সোয়া নাও এতিয়া যদি আমি এই 145 দি যদি আমি 135ক ডিভাইড করো, সোয়া 45 how many ja 135 that will be 3। so this number exactly divided, yes or no? So number will be what? 35। we have to add right here, we have to add 35 with 100 with 100। okay, to make the sum, to make it exactly divisible by divisible by 45. Understood? Okay. So question number now 7 is your homework. Okay, after complete it you will send it to my WhatsApp number, and after that question number, that is 8, 9 and 10 also are your homework. Okay, bye.